Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Dripping Gold is probably one of the most sought-after self-tanning solutions on the market, promising a flawless, streak-free glow that looks incredibly natural and lasts for days, making it a staple for anyone desiring a sun-kissed radiance without the harmful UV exposure. And today we're diving deep into why this product has garnered such a loyal following and whether it truly lives up to its golden reputation. Number 5. Beauty by Earth Self Tanner Medium. Dreaming of a sun-kissed look without the sun damage? This incredible self-tanner helps you achieve a beautiful, natural glow. It's the perfect solution for a radiant complexion all year round. Crafted with care, it features natural and organic ingredients. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin, knowing it's made with quality in mind. Infused with nourishing aloe vera and coconut, it doesn't just tan, it moisturizes. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and look healthy with every application. Say goodbye to uneven patches and streaks. This lotion applies smoothly, ensuring a flawless and natural-looking fake tan every time. Enjoy a consistent, beautiful finish. Produced right here in the USA, it meets high standards of quality. You can trust its formulation for a safe and effective tanning experience. Get ready to shine. Specifically formulated for a medium shade, it delivers just the right amount of color. It helps you achieve that desired golden hue without looking artificial. Embrace your new radiant self. What we like? This self-tanner stands out for its natural and organic ingredient list. It's made in the USA and deeply moisturizes your skin. If you prioritize clean beauty and a nourishing formula, this is an excellent choice for a healthy glow. What people say. No positive reviews with product details found in the provided source. No positive reviews with product details found in the provided source. Number 4. B.TAN Ultra Long Lasting Self Tanner Kit Forever Bundle. Discover the ultimate solution for a beautiful, sunless glow. This kit provides everything you need for a flawless, dark tan right at home. Say goodbye to frequent reapplication. This incredible formula is designed to keep your tan looking fresh and vibrant for up to 11 days. Get a gorgeous bronze in just 1 hour. Its express foam formula develops quickly, giving you a radiant glow without the long wait. Enjoy a beautiful tan without the typical self-tanner smell. This dark sunless tan mousse leaves you with a natural-looking glow and no telltale scent. Applying it is effortless with the included mitt applicator. This ensures a smooth, even coverage for a streak-free, professional-looking result. This Forever Bundle offers a comprehensive tanning experience. It's your go-to for a consistent, dark, and long-lasting sunless tan. What we like? This kit offers an ultra-long-lasting tan, promising up to 11 days of wear. It includes a mitt for easy application and develops in just 1 hour. If you're looking for a comprehensive solution that lasts and is quick to apply, this bundle is perfect. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points could be extracted. Please provide product reviews to extract helpful points. Number 3. B.TAN Self Tan Mitt. Tired of getting self-tanner all over your hands? This innovative mitt provides a perfect barrier, ensuring your hands stay clean and pristine during application. It's a sunless tanning applicator glove designed for ease. Its unique design, including a thumb, gives you superior control for a flawless tan. Experience a truly even and streak-free finish every time. This velvety soft mitt glides smoothly over your skin, distributing product beautifully. Not only is it incredibly soft, but it's also fully reusable. You can count on it for consistent, high-quality tanning sessions, time after time. Whether you prefer foam, mousse, gradual lotion, or drops, this versatile mitt handles them all. Use it confidently on both your face and body for a complete glow. What we like? This essential accessory ensures a flawless, streak-free application every time. Its velvety soft material is gentle on skin and it's fully reusable. If you want to protect your hands and achieve a perfectly even tan, this mitt is a must-have. What people say. Number 2. B.TAN Violet Base Self Tanner Mousse. Experience instant love with your new tan. This mousse is designed to give you a beautiful, sunless glow right from the start. Achieve a stunning tan in just 1 hour. It's a fast-acting sunless tanning foam, perfect for when you need quick results. Say goodbye to unwanted orange tones. Its unique violet base ensures a natural-looking, dark bronze finish every time. Get that desired deep, dark bronzing glow. This product delivers a rich, radiant color that looks completely natural. Enjoy a pleasant tanning experience without the typical fake tan odor. It leaves your skin feeling fresh and beautifully bronzed. What we like. This mousse features a unique violet base designed to cancel out any unwanted orange tones. It delivers a dark bronzing glow in just 1 hour. If you're concerned about an unnatural orange tint and desire a truly deep, natural-looking tan, this formula is ideal. What people say. No positive product reviews with details found in the provided source. The source JSON for reviews was empty, so no points could be extracted. Number 1. B.TAN Ultra Long-Lasting Self-Tanner Mousse. Introducing the ultimate self-tanning experience. This innovative mousse delivers a beautiful, long-lasting glow that stays with you. Forget daily reapplication. It provides an impressive tan that can last for up to 11 days, keeping you radiant longer. Achieve a gorgeous sunless tan quickly and effortlessly. You only need 1 hour for it to develop into a stunning bronze. Enjoy a pleasant tanning experience without the typical artificial scent. This formula ensures a fresh feel, free from any unpleasant odors. Experience a deep, natural-looking dark bronze. It gives you that perfect sun-kissed radiance without exposure to harmful UV rays. Feel good about your tan, knowing it's made with ethical choices. This product is both vegan and cruelty-free, aligning with your values. What we like. This self-tanner is engineered for exceptional longevity, lasting up to 11 days. It provides a dark bronze glow with a quick 1-hour development time and is vegan and cruelty-free. If you prioritize ethical products and need a tan that truly goes the distance, this mousse is your go-to. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.